5 gallons of laundry detergent. It looks shimmery though. I would have added mica powder to this, but it already looks. Hi, Shay. Did you text Grandma?
No.
Oh, she had text, and I didn't know if it was in a group chat or just to me. She said, what's the plan for today? It doesn't smell like the basic Gain, the original Gain. I don't know if it smells like the other ones because I haven't smoked the other ones except for the lavender. Ooh, it was good, Coco. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. I only have one of my daughters. Hi, Smiley. I only have one of my daughters and one of my sons that wanted to come on this trip. My other daughter's in Kansas with her boyfriend. And my other son had to work. So we're gonna celebrate on New Year's Eve all together. This is 5 gallons of laundry detergent. 5 gallons. Hi, Sharisa. It was nice Christmas, very chill. How was your guys' Christmas? What was your favorite part of Christmas this year? And leaders? I don't know. Does it say on there? Let me see if it says on there. Food. I want to put the charisma in here. Let's squeeze these and then I'll put the charisma liquid in here. Oh, I love charisma. Oh, that's nice, Nelly. I want grandbabies. Jeannie sent for the rest of the cans. Thank you, Jeannie. Let me grab them. Let me grab so much. And thank you guys for being here. Thank you for people that put in on it. Thank you for the people that liked it. Thank you for our followers, our new followers and friends. Thank you for everything, guys. Thank you for a great 2025 year. And clean talk. You guys always make everything better for me. Okay, let's put the charisma in. I'm gonna squeeze them off and we'll add the coats. Oh, that one was upside down. Judy's so funny. Yeah, I think it would smell so good in here. Yeah, I love free stuff too. It's fun for me. It's fun for me. And I think it would smell so good with this. She sent for 4 baking sodas. Everything weird. Hi, honey. Hi, everything weird. 89 to sell out. where are we at? 243 likes. When we get to 300K likes, you guys get to pick if we put in a charisma fabric softener or a charisma detergent for free. Happy sad. We'll do a happy sad. Ooh, I love my powder girlies. $2.45. We're at $2.45. It's thick. It's thick. Feels like one of the sponges rubbing on my finger wrong. Okay, do you guys want to start adding powder, or do you want to wait for the 300K and then the charisma going in, or do you want to just put the charisma in when we get to it so you don't have to wait? Start adding powder, Sunny? Oh, okay, sweet. No, it didn't include the pineapple fab. I think the pineapple fab is just not for me. It's sitting there, but I skipped over it. Yeah. Okay, let's pour our pine panelin in here too. And our, not that my opinion matters, but panelin. Downy. Oh, true. True, to each their own. No filter. It's just the normal color of the stew. Come on out, baby. Come on out, sugar. I don't want them to flip. I need the mixture. Yeah, Smiley. I'm here the next day. Yeah, Walmart.com, but it's sold out right now, Smiley. We did. Ah! Okay. We need to get some powder in here. We're gonna have to make a mountain. There's not, where I am right now, there's not even a Dollar General close to me, Britt. It's weird because like there's a million Dollar Trees, but there's no Dollar Generals here. They're like, you know, like the closest one is like maybe 7 miles away. In Colton, is there? Maybe it's not, maybe it wasn't on my map. How far away is it from where I'm at, Violet? Oh, that's not bad at all. You're lucky, because to me, Dollar General is better than Dollar Tree. Maybe because there are so many Dollar Trees. Yeah, I like Dollar. Ooh, something's going on. Okay, let's put some more powder. We need to get thicker so they stop flipping. You don't like it? Oh, Dollar Tree. Like how you guys have the extra powders, or how people have extra powders all the time. I'm so envious because I cannot find, I've only found those twice ever. But then like Dollar Tree, there's two. Oh, let's squeeze the charisma. Let's squeeze it. Let's squeeze it. Oh my gosh, charisma. Ooh. My mom just texted me and she wants to go to that store that I got my charisma from today. Let's see. Maybe I'm gonna have my daughter text her. Because I want to go back and get some more of the powder. Charisma powder. Before I leave. Thank you! Thank you for the hearty. No. She's funny because she likes the smells. I think that's where I got it from, about loving smells. I think I got it from her. She loves the smells of this stuff. But, yeah, she doesn't watch it or anything. I should take her some, huh? Marcel, I should take her some today and see if she likes it. Because she is a cleanaholic. She's so cute. She has one room in her house that is like a pantry room, she calls it, and it looks like a grocery store. She has everything on shelves. It looks so cute. I'm gonna do that. I'll say this is from Marcel. This is from Diane. Ooh, there's a boulder of charisma right there. Okay, let's get some cans in here now. Oh, really, Smiley? Like mine is too. Now that I'm thinking about at home, yeah, my pantry is not organized. I keep saying that because I'm on vacation from work right now. I'm like, maybe I can organize stuff more. But it looks like in her house, it's like a grocery store. She has everything all together and lined up neat and everything. She's so cute. I love my mama. Of course. I blame my kid. True. That's what kids do. Wow, I looked at it and quit. Isn't it? Like, kids are so crazy. Kids like to... The biggest thing about kids that drives me crazy about my kids... Shady, could you text Grandma and tell her that we'll go with her to the places around noon? Why don't you just take it out? You just at least take it out of the pantry and then I'll throw it away. Or why don't you throw it away? You know? Yeah. Okay, we gotta get this thick. So they stopped doing that. Yes, exactly. You like, oh, I want a Diet Dr. Pepper. And then there's a box in there and it's empty. Nice. Really, Smiley? They drive me crazy. It's like a fail. I think we do need a powder mountain, Carissa. Like at least a partial powder mountain. Because I know Hella wants her powder bombs. But just to get it thick. Maybe we could do a laundry. Some of the laundry in a powder mountain. But what if they fall off, Tink? A powder hill. Yes, Danny. Yes, ma'am. Or maybe if I